Okay, so another example. This one's going to be a little bit more involved. The first thing I'm going to do as I start working out this problem is go ahead and take that constant 8 and pull that outside the integral, which I can do with constants. And then just rewriting that denominator. It's a square root, it's in the bottom, so I'm going to rewrite that so that it's in terms of an exponent to hopefully again make my substitution a little bit easier. And then I have an x to go with my dx. So as we begin our substitution, as we typically do, we recognize the composite function. And when we do that, we allow u to be that thing. And then we take du, and we get that du would be 6x dx. And so we look at our dx, and we see that we have an x. And it's fortunate that we have an x, because we can't just pull a new variable out of nowhere. The constant we're able to deal with because we're able to multiply or factor out constants from an integral. So as we rewrite our problem now, we can turn that into a 6x. We can turn that into a 6x, no problem. There, it's done. But, of course, we can't just pull a number on it anywhere. But at least with the number, we can take that 6 and divide everything by 6, or factor that 6 out, so that we have it outside and we have 8/6. Now, we have what our u is, we have what our du is, and so we can carry the substitution through. 8/6 becomes 4/3. This will become integral of u to the minus 1/2. And then the 6x dx becomes our du that we need. And we can just carry everything through. Integrate the u to the negative 1/2. We add 1 to the exponent. That would make that positive 1/2. And then we divide by that 1/2. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. So this will become 8/3. And then u to the 1/2 will be the square root of that 3x squared minus 8. And plus our constant. And so everything still works out. The key again is making sure that the stuff inside matches up. And it's really important that you have the variable part that you need there. The numerical part, we can make that work. If we don't have the variable part, we're going to run into problems. And it may even be one that we just can't work out at that point in time. Okay, till the next example.